Hi Ramesh, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the Proc Format. Okay, today we are at our day 6 class. So it's a Proc Format. Yesterday we have seen format and informats, right? Those are the inbuilt SAS formats and informats like for which are used for SAS dates, time, currency. These are all like inbuilt SAS formats and informats. So today we are going to see Proc format. Those are inbuilt format. Like I have shown you yesterday, right? We already given some formats and informats in specific, those which are inbuilt. But today we are going to see Proc format, which are user defined formats. Okay. Sometimes we prefer to show the analyzed data in a format which is different from the format in which it is already present in the data set. For example, if there is a data like male and female, um, male and female is represented as M and F. Okay, are you understanding, Ramesh? Hello, Ramesh.
Kindly share the screen. Kindly share the screen.
Oh, sorry, I forgot. Okay, yesterday we have seen proc format and informats, right, which are inbuilt SAS formats for date, time, currency. So those are which are inbuilt already in the SAS. Those are called as SAS formats or informats. But today we are going to see proc format, which is one of the procedure used to generate user defined or created formats and informats. So we can create our own formats based on the requirement. Okay, so for example, if there is a format, if we have a data, let me show you that we have a data like mm, for example, in the SAS help we have class data. Okay, in this here we have the sex variables like right, which are represented as M and F. If I want to change them to male and female, and so for that I have to apply some format. Okay, so let's bring this into our work library. How can we bring that? We have to apply proc print data equal to SAS help dot class. Okay, so I want to bring class data from SAS help library, and I'm going to run this. Okay, what happens if you run this? This will be stored into your work library. Sorry, I'm closing this. Okay, now you are able to print this, right, into by using what? Proc print data equal to, from where we got this SAS help library, we got this class data. We try to print this one. Okay, now I want to change this sex values, male in M into male, F into female. Okay, let me write a program for that. So basically there are four types of proc formats. One is character to character data, and another one is character to numeric data, and numeric to numeric data, numeric to character data. So if we change it to M to male, then it is called character to character data. If we change it to, for example, M to 0 and F to 1, then it is character to numeric data. So basically we are changing character data into numeric data as 0. And if we are changing numeric data, for example, um, if we are changing this age values, this is numeric data, right, to some kind of um, character data like younger things like that, then it will be called as numeric to character data. Okay. What if we change numeric to numeric, like 11 to 1, some number something like that, then we call it as numeric to numeric data. Okay. Now let me show you with an example. Okay. What we do, we are going to write format, proc format. Okay. So what I have to do now, I am applying value statement. Okay. Which one I want to change? 6 values, right? So I will give a value like gender, but gender is what type? It's a character data, so I'm assigning dollar. I want to change dollar, I mean character data. So gender, which one I will have to change? Character data, male, right? So this is a case sensitive. So what we have here, this M is capital letter, so you have to assign only capitals because these data values are case sensitive. Okay. And if it is a character data, it has to be in the quotations. For numeric data, no need to be in the quotations. Okay. Male. So, and other than this, what we have to change? Female data. F equal to female. Okay. Semicolon. Run the program. Now what happens? If I run this program, a format will be created. Where? In the work library. See, we have created a format in on the name of gender, but still we didn't get the values changed to M to male and F to female. For that, what we have to do? Now we have to give proc print data equal to SAS help dot user. Basically we are giving the same help dot class. Okay. Now give format statement. Format, what we want to change? Basically we want to change the sex values, so give sex here and give the format. What is the format that we want to apply? This is the format, so give this format here dot. This is how we applied format, right, yesterday. So and run the program. Now, so now it is changed, right? Male to female, like M to male, F to female. Okay, this is how we change character to character data. What if we want to change character to variable data? If you want to change it to the same program, you can write it here itself. Like for example, same value. So now what I want to change? Character to numeric. If we want to change it to character to numeric, still we have to apply this dollar sign. See, dollar character. Sorry, what we want to change? Gender. I will assign this as gender underscore number. because we are changing it to numerics. Okay, so m is a character value, so we are assigning it in between the quotations, equal to, so applying some numeric value such as 12. Okay, so numeric value no need to be in the quotations. And f f is a character value again, so it has to be in quotations, equal to, maybe f equal to 0. Okay, now you have to change here this gender format to the, this is our format which we want now, right? So now change it to this one, underscore number. Now run this program. Okay, now if you go and see in your work, so see, now gender number is created, format is created, these are called as catalog files. Okay, and now I will run this program. See, now this one got changed, right? Something is wrong. I got the run. Why I got that? Let me check. Oh, I forgot to give semicolon. Okay, now try to run this program again, and now I'm going to run this program again. Okay, now I got it right. In the place of male I got 12, and in the place of female I got 0. Okay, are you understanding, Ramesh? Okay, now, so far we have seen character to character data, and we have seen character to numeric data. Now we will see about numeric to character data. Okay, so I'm doing with the same program. Value, so numeric, basically what is this, age, right? Okay, now I will assign, so there is no need to assign dollar symbol here because it's a numeric value. So I will give age. What are the values that I want to change it to? So it's a numeric to character, right? Maybe I will assign it to 11 to 12 equal to. So now here again characters, right? So I have to keep them in quotations. I will give some eng. Okay, and from 13 to 15 I will give values like maybe old. Okay, what else we have? We got 16 also. Okay, now give 16 equal to, maybe I will give citizen, semicolon. Now run the program, and now give here age. Okay, what is the value that we are applying to? We are, our variable name is age, right? See, our variable name is age, so give age, and I have given the same format name. You can do that sometimes, so I'm giving the same format name. Okay, now run the program. Okay, now when you run this program a format will be created. I have shown you that already. When you go to see, here you got already age format was created in your work library. Now let me run this program. Okay, now what you got? You got old, young, and citizen for 16. You got it, right? This is how we do for numeric to character data. Okay, now what is the next one? We have seen already character to character data, character to numeric data. numeric to character data. Today, now we are seeing going to see the last one, numeric to numeric data. Okay, let's see how it is. Value numeric to numeric, right? Maybe I will give age n. For this, no need of dollar sign, we already seen that. Okay, age n, I will give 11 to 12 is equal to 0. Okay, and 13 to 15 equal to 1. 16 equal to 2. Okay, now change it to age n. Okay, now run the program. See, now what we have, age, gender and gender number. Now if I run this program, a new format will be created in the work library, that is age n. Okay, maybe I will give age underscore n, that will be easier to read. Okay, see, age underscore n format is created right in the work library. Now I will run this. Okay, now my age values are converted to 102. Okay, is it clear, Ramesh?
Yes, Chandana, clear, clear.
Okay. So this is how we work on character to character data and character to numeric data. This is of 4 types. We already seen that. So we already seen that character variable data value should be always in quotation marks and they are case sensitive. Okay, if you have characters on left side, then we have to use dollar sign. We already seen that, right? If we have characters on left side, see, we have assigned characters on the left side, right? Here this side is the left side, we are assigning characters. Here also this side we have characters, so we are using the dollar symbol. Here we have the character on the right side, so here I didn't use the dollar symbol. So this you have to remember, character variable data should always be in quotations and they are case sensitive. If you have characters on left side, then we have to use dollar sign. Okay, then to create a format, what we have used value statement, right? See, to create a format, what we have used value statement. Here we have created the format, right? So we have used value statement. Okay, and to save we have to write library statement. Let's see how to write library statement. How to save this? By giving a library statement. Okay, so I have done all this. Now I want to save this program, otherwise um it's not going to be in your next session, right? If you didn't save it, so for that reason you have to save it into any permanent libraries other than work library. Okay, which library shall I save it into? Let maybe I will save it into DJ library, DJ. Okay, give proc format library equal to which library? DJ. Okay, I want to save this in DJ. Okay, Hmm. Let me run this program. So now I got it right. Did I got all the proc formats here? So now I have saved all the formats into the DJ library. Okay, so this is how we save whatever the data that we have worked on So we save all these formats with this statement proc format library equal to your library name. Okay, and what is next? And whenever we are using, if we want to use this program again, see, for example, now I am deleting this from the work library. See, I am deleting this from the work library. I want to work on this now. What I have to do now? when if I Now I want to work on this. Basically, I have removed it from the work library. Basically, what happens if I give it like this? Is it going to work? See, error. The format gender underscore number was not found or could not be loaded. So for this, what I have to do, because this SAS is not automatically able to search for this gender underscore number format. It doesn't know where it got stored. So for that reason, what I have to give, I have to give option statement. Options fmt. Fmt means nothing but format search. Okay, equal to, in the brackets, in which file I have saved it, dj, right? Dj. Now run the program. Okay, so what it is basically showing, the format age underscore n was not found or could not be loaded. The SAS stopped processing this stop because of errors. The format gen. Okay, now let me run this program. Run this program. Okay, now you got it right. This is how we will search for our data. Okay, now what else? And to print this data, okay, if we have worked on all this data, right? See, we have all these formats. I want to print age n, gender and gender number. Okay, how can I print that? By giving proc format statement. Okay, proc format library equal to, in which library it is stored, dj. Okay, fmt format library. Okay, run the program. Now it will be printed. Okay, see, now you got, see, this is for format name age. We have created format name age, right? This is for age n. Okay, and this is for dollar gender. First one we have created, right? And what is the other one we created? Dollar gender number. Okay, and it is taken here as end one is 11, start one is 11, and the end value is 12. Okay, if we because we have given age from 11 to 12, right? So first starting value it has been taken as 11 and the end value as 12. Okay, in this case what it has been taken, here also the same starting value, because we have given some range, right? Here we didn't give anything, so it has been assigned same for the both the things, start and the end value. Okay, and here also the same, it has been assigned start and end value same. Ramesh, is it clear or any questions on this? Hello, Ramesh.
Yeah, it's clear. It's clear.
Okay, you have any questions? Okay, this is about proc format.